Hello, this is in reference to quiz 7-3, problem 2, letter B. So determine if these are similar shapes. All we have to do is see if the scale factors are the same. So the first shape, if I go from the small side to the small side of the second shape, and if I go from the long side of the first shape to the long side of the second shape, I want to see if those scale factors are the same. The scale factor means what you multiply by. So the top numbers are easy. 2 times what number equals 4? And of course that's 2. So its scale factor is 2, or its multiplier is 2. For these to be similar, this also has to be 2. Well, 4 times 2 doesn't give me 5. And at that point, I know these are not similar shapes.